Hi, my name is Rachel Pizzolatto, and I'm a co-host on Mythbusters Jr. So, as most of you are staying home right now, we need a way to keep ourselves occupied. So I decided to join in on the fun for the hashtag #StayInPlayIn group and join these amazing kids all around the world that want to show you some cool and easy ways to use the things that you have around your house so that we can have a little bit of fun. So today I'm going to be creating an Ames window. So for those of you who don't know what it is, it's based on the Harry Potter series. And so in the movie, Hagrid is bigger than he seems in real life, and that's due to an optical illusion called the Ames room. It's based on your perception of how you see the room and how big it is based on how you see it. You'll know what I'm talking about once we build it, but you'll just have to stay tuned. So with all that said, let's get started. So first things first is to either create your own template or print out a template from the internet. And personally, I printed mine out front and back on glossy paper. And then the next step is to either get a blade or a straight angle and use a ruler to cut out each of the windows. Now this was a very tedious and tiresome process, but with a lot of effort, you can have a really amazing product. So I just want to make sure, please do not use a blade or a straight without parent supervision because it can be dangerous. You can cut yourself, especially with the machine that I'm using here. So make sure you have your parent supervise you. So here we have the finished template, and now the fun part is to just punch all the holes out. Here are the finished products with the holes cut out, one on top of the other, and this is exactly what it's going to look like once it's glued together. Ta-da! Now, all you have to do is spin it. Here is the end result. It turned out absolutely amazing and I'm super proud of myself. So definitely make sure that you try it out yourself.